Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on POCO M6 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then move to the system or actually additional settings at the bottom. Here you can find gesture shortcuts. The first one is launch Google Assistant by pressing a power button for half a second like this. Then next one will be to take a screenshot. So you can slide 3 fingers from top of the screen to take a screenshot, or also use your power button and volume down button at the same time to also make that screenshot. Then there's a partial screenshot. You need to hold your 3 fingers onto your screen to take a partial screenshot. Next is launch camera. Here we have 2 options. First one is double press the power button to activate camera. Then there's double press volume down when the phone is locked to also launch camera. First option works like this. And the second, while our phone is locked, double press volume down button and it should launch your camera as well. Then let's move on to the next feature, which is turn on flashlight. Double press the power button. You will need to replace it with previous camera function. That way, when we double press on our power button, it activates a flashlight and deactivates it as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.